Trey 7 out this joint. We just did a match setup. We're about to go ahead and do a quick sound test. It's about to be crazy out here. Alright, see what it's looking like. Alright. Got one. I'm about to walk down here and let y'all in. Let y'all know how Trey 7 get down. Number one is not all the way up. Number two, that's not the full setup. We got more to come. So for all y'all other little promoter companies or whatever y'all want to do, it's time to step the game up. We've been on for a season, but don't think we ain't been stacking equipment, G. Still clear. And we're at about almost 50 yards now.
You got a football field.
Not yet. About half a football field. On NS7. That don't sound crazy. Oh yeah, we doing concert. Alright, we just want 100 yards for y'all. Let y'all see how it sounded at 100 yards. We gotta bring it back in. All y'all don't know, Trey 7 Entertainment. You can follow your boy, DJ Juice, at Trey 7 DJ Juice on Twitter. That's at TRE7 DJ JUICE. That's my Twitter. You can link me up on Facebook at Trey 7 DJ Juice or Daryl DJ Juice Fields. Either one. Check out my pages. Go holler at Trey 7. And for all y'all who don't know, Fizzy and Trey 7 got a party coming soon. More information on that, check it on Facebook. And Trey 7 got a little surprise for y'all. We got our party coming up. We'll give y'all more details on that too. If you're not rocking with the best with Trey 7, you're selling for less. We out.